Okay, here is a brief room tour of our room at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Culpeper, Virginia. The bathroom was very spacious and well renovated. Everything was clean and modern, including the tub and the shower. The shower head was adjustable to multiple different settings. They give you free soap and conditioner in the shower. Right at the entryway, there's a giant mirror, and there's also this door that goes to an adjoining room. So there are adjoining rooms in this hotel. There's a little mini fridge, a microwave oven. It's a little tiny kitchenette, nice Keurig coffee maker that worked really well. And of course, they give you some free Keurig cups for your coffee. The fridge was cold and plenty of space. There was no freezer attached to the fridge, but the fridge was nice and cold. And that's the front entrance. And then the closet just beyond the entrance is here. The closet has hangers, an ironing board, and the very bottom a mini safe. We didn't use it, but everything looked like it was new and modern, and it probably all worked properly. Then next is a spot for your luggage, bags. Next is the TV and the desk, and plenty of drawers, plenty of space to spread out all your belongings. And then all the way down at the end is a desk for a workstation. That's where I put my computer. It's got a nice desk light and a nice, comfortable desk chair. The view out the window was nothing spectacular at all. In fact, it was disappointing. It overlooks about 5 budget hotels and just their parking lots. This parking lot was completely full last night with contractor trucks. Everywhere you go these days, there's thousands of contractors at every hotel you go to. The queen beds were very comfortable, very soft and plush, and very nice soft pillows. We got a great night's sleep. It was absolutely a very comfortable bed experience. Here is the heating and air conditioning. It worked very well. You can control that on the thermostat on the wall right there. And it was a very responsive thermostat, and everything worked well. The temperature in the room was very easy to control. That's about it for this room tour. What else can I say? Not the safest neighborhood in the world because there's a convenience store right next to on the other side of the hotel. There's a convenience store, and a lot of people walk through the parking lot during the night to go to the convenience store. Okay, that's it. See you next video.